Okay, we've got here a GeForce RTX 2080. It's currently set up without the drivers installed. This is apparently a HP, maybe an OEM, I'm not sure. But the problem is when the graphic drivers gets installed, the system gives a blank screen, and that's about it. So what I'll do is I'll now connect the screen directly to the card. We haven't got a driver installed. By the way, the graphic card itself is extremely hot. It's only been on about maybe about half an hour and not doing any processing work. So now you're seeing the output of the RTX 2080. It's incredibly hot, not doing anything at all. So I'm looking at the screen through OBS, so not the best screen, and the resolution is normal because there's no drivers at the moment. So this is just a generic PC, quite an old one, 16 gig, Windows 10 Pro running on it, activated. And here is the problem. Correct. So driver got removed by Windows as it could not reboot properly. So now I've got a updated driver files here. I've just finished downloading. This is for the GeForce 2080 from NVIDIA website, latest version. Okay. Latest at the time. Okay. And let's see what will happen when we tell Windows to use the drivers that we have just downloaded. So this is just to repeat the problem. Okay. And normally at this point, screen should refresh to an optimal resolution, but we should see a black screen. Still waiting. The owner of the graphic card suspects a faulty memory module. It may be so. And after installing drivers, black screen, yes. Now we should normally see the screen again, but that's all we see, nothing else. Still no refresh. I'll bring back the computer screen. So here it's still running. The light is still on. It is extremely hot. I can't stress how hot it is. This is just outside here. I don't know. It's whatever is going on in there. Yeah, so this side is where the majority of the heat, about 58 degrees just outside there. And okay, so now if we try to reboot the system, that's the black screen there with the computer plugged in. Now I'm going to reboot the system by force. By the way, you can actually see the keyboard still on, meaning the computer is actually on, but the GPU has kicked the bucket. So now we're going to reset. So reset. Yep, we shall hear the beep sound. And ASUS logo, motherboard logo should kick in. Ah, bummer, I forgot to connect the other screen connector. Okay, shut That's so hot. Okay, there we go. And a blank screen. So the GPU driver kicked in and still waiting for it to come on. Maybe it will come on, maybe not. No, it's gone into frozen mode. Okay, so we need to reboot it a couple of times to let Windows automatically again repair itself. And same thing, one more time. We'll give it the knife again to reset. Maybe I may need to reboot it at a loading stage to let it crash. There we go. Third time lucky. So now what it should do is uninstall the driver for us and bring the computer back to working stage. So Windows 10 does a good job of recovering the system, knowing what the issue is. Okay, restart. Okay, bugger it. It still hasn't done it. Okay. One more time. Rebooting. Oh fuck, I did that too early. Okay. Doesn't look good now, does it? Okay, so the GPU is in a shit mode at the moment. Try one more time, reboot. Nope. One more time. Let's crash it a little bit earlier. Okay, let this automatic repair run. Okay. Alright, restart. Otherwise I'll just go into advanced options and do a safe mode and reboot. It will boot in normally into Windows. Give it one more chance. Nope. Alright, I'm actually going to shut the computer down. It seems to be very unstable. Okay, power off, power on. Okay. Alright, advanced options, troubleshoot, advanced options and startup settings, and we'll just boot into safe mode. Okay, let's try number 4. There we go. Definitely a driver issue, not a driver issue, GPU issue. We'll uninstall the drivers plus delete the software, and I'll remove it from the network and reboot so it doesn't get a chance to update the drivers. So I can also disable from the computer properties and disable automatic driver installation. Yeah, so as you can see, we're now booting into Windows without any drivers, just basic generic drivers for Microsoft. Okay, so this is going to be the end of this video. We'll make the part 2 shortly. Thanks for watching. See you in the next one.
Thanks for watching. Please subscribe to support this channel.